Hello, guys. Look, we've received a set of old treasures. Yes, it's the 2012 GMC G2500 seat cover. Let's take apart these seat covers together. This seat cover was inspected by the customs. They tried every possible way and waited for 10 days. The wait was worth it. I got them. Make marks on the leather according to the removed pieces. Cut the pieces along the marked lines. Cut the sample into pieces and repeat the action on the leather material confirmed with the customer. After all the pieces were cut, the sewing work began. Sew all the cut pieces together. All the seat covers are ready. Take a look at the comparison with the old seat covers. The seat covers, having been worn out by time, are in a dilapidated state. Not only do they affect the appearance, but they are also uncomfortable to use. Our seat covers not only restore the classic look of the original car but also enhance comfort. We also accept customization in terms of color, stitching, embroidery, etc., to meet all the requirements of our customers. Every department in our factory takes every process of seat cover production seriously and responsibly. Give your car a brand new look. Unless the customer has any special requirements, we will adopt simplified packaging to reduce the freight cost while ensuring that the seat covers are not damaged. We also accept customized packaging from customers. No matter what your requirements are, Z Seat Cover will do its best to meet them. We search for distributors all over the world without any threshold, with zero investment cost. We have a dedicated team to handle pre-sale and after-sale issues. We are also looking for friends from all over the world who are seeking suppliers of car interior parts such as seat covers. If you want to start a good business, if you want a supplier with stable supply and continuous development of new products, it's a great honor to get in touch with you.